Hello guys, welcome to Amith.Thoughts. In this video, I will see how we can easy work with MySQL Workbench. We will see how we can create a new database and create a table in it. So we have installed MySQL server as we has Workbench. Let's start. First, go to the search box MySQL Workbench 8.0 this visible and click open. Welcome to MySQL Workbench and scroll and root, double click. Then this type will open, left side schemas and click on it, and tables, click the configuration, click columns indexes and click on it. Then this table, click, automatically query code open. Then duplicate columns, then minimize and right click, create a schema, then table name Amith.DB and default characters, default collection and application, click the automatically create a table schema Amith.DBM and next click finish. This is left side Amith.DB database create and table right click, create a table, click on it, table name employee and columns create and click on it, column name employee ID and int and next column double click employee name varchar and 1645 minus 60 and null, click and next column double click employees and varchar no int, click null and next column employee department and varchar null, click and next apply, click and next click apply, finish. Then this is left side table, click employee, create table, this table, click automatically query open, table names and double click 01 empty name is 80 and department GPT and next table double click 02 Ambu, next is department finance and next column 03 Shanu is and department marketing and next column 04. Next column is and IT. Then this type below and apply click. Then this type will open. Insert values. Finance 02 Amith 8 and apply click. Next finish. Then employee column create. Next second column create department. And arrow click and column double click department ID and into and double click and next column double click department name and query null click and next column department Johnny and varchar and null click and apply click. Then this type will open. Apply finish. Department table create, employee table create, MySQL workbench new table create successful. Thank you for watching.